لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ, that if you thank me, I will give you more. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really does not want to take anything from us. Allah wants to give us. Allah's treasures are infinite.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا.
الله وبركاته. نحمد ونصلي على رسول الكريم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى له. Alhamdulillah, all thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah gave us this ability again to gather for the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a big blessing. It cleans the heart. It is the best protection from shaitan. And it is one of the biggest reason of protection from the trials and trouble of grave and difficulties of grave. Nothing prevents a person more in grave than the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And with the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes the humbleness. A person becomes humble and the thankfulness comes, and a person attributes everything that he or she has towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He or she recognizes that this thing, whatever he has, the time, the life, the family, the money, everything is given to him or her by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he really becomes humble and grateful, and he is not arrogant. So Allah give us this ability to remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala excessively. And with this remembrance comes the shukr. And with the shukr, the thankfulness, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised that Allah will give more. لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ, that if you thank me, I will give you more. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really does not want to take anything from us. Allah wants to give us. Allah's treasures are infinite. And nobody can imagine how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the treasures and the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in one of the hadiths, the saying is that if all the human beings and jinn, they get together and they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whatever anyone, all of the jinn or humans can think of, they ask for it, and all their desires, whatever they think of, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfill all their needs, whatever they ask, and it will not reduce in the treasures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like if a needle is dipped into the ocean and a single drop maybe or less gets on that needle, and maybe that ocean is reduced a bit, but even that much is not reduced from the treasures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we really need to recognize who is our creator, the infinite, the possessor, the creator of infinite treasures. So the zikr is this connection, and zikr bil qalb, the zikr with heart, the remembrance with heart is nothing but the constant connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That the person, no matter what he or she is doing, his heart always remains connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Very, very simple. Looks, how a person can be connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala 24 hours, the consciousness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's very, very simple. It starts with the heart. The heart, all the actions are secondary. The primary thing is the heart. And with the dhikr of heart, the heart becomes clean, becomes protected, and becomes, it's illuminated with the nur. So Allah give us this ability. Whoever joins from wherever, either live program or later, should join. We try to reduce even the 5 minutes. This is just a reminder. The main thing is to individually, whenever you have time, 5-10 minutes before sleeping, whenever, you just close your eyes and focus on your heart, and heart is saying Allah, Allah, Allah. So we will just do it for now. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى له. يا رب لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك من سلطانك. يا رب صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم اللهم إنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك اللهم أنت السلام ومنك السلام تبارك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. O Allah, illuminate our hearts. O Allah, remove all the darknesses from our heart. O Allah, help us clean our hearts with your remembrance. O Allah, help us not to waste any time of whatever you have granted us in this life. O Allah, O Allah, whoever asks for dua on our channel, individually, collectively, they all fulfill all their needs, whatever the best for them. O Allah, give health to the people who are sick. O Allah, make arrangements for the rizq, whoever is asking, Allah, doing dua, Ya Allah, fulfill all their hajat and needs, Ya Allah. اللهم إنا نسألك من خير ما سألك منه نبيك سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم ونعوذ بك من شر ما استعاذك منه نبيك سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. المستعان عليك البلاغ ولا